Okay, so today we are planting out by my pool area. I've got these 3 pots that stay every year. So these are hibiscus trees. I kind of trim them up to be like kind of like a lollipop hibiscus tree, and then I underplant down below, and that's what I'm doing today. So I've got these 3 pots. I've got some pots that I'm going to go ahead and move in a different section, and just one other pot to take care of and just kind of do some cleanup. It's, you know, here in Arizona it got super hot super quick, and I had pre-bought a bunch of plants and thinking I had time to get, you know, each section planted up and everything, but they're dying on me. I've got to get these plants planted. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to tackle that today. I'm going to show you in one video close up of, you know, how I'm doing things, and then what I'm going to do is just set the camera up and speed it up and let you see kind of the process and then the end result. Whenever I do this, I'm fertilizing, I'm cleaning the area, blowing it, cleaning the area, hosing the patio off, giving the plants a good overwater. Every section I do is that way. So let's get started and enjoy this beautiful weather. It's warm right now. I'm already sweating, but let's enjoy it.
Inside of me, it's a deep hole where I bleed. Oh, can I seal it? You're like an ocean without land, not a single grain of sand. I'm drifting on it.
Okay, so these pots are existing. I already have, you know, plants in here. So what I'm going to do is kind of rough up the soil. I kind of arranged what I'm going to put in here. I've got extra soil if I need to add to the container. I'm going to fertilize with my Proven Winners time release or continuous release plant starter, and I'm just going to go ahead and go with clean up maybe some of these branches and whatnot that didn't survive. But I'm going to go ahead and go with the plants that are already existing in here, so that I'm not just digging out something that's not dead yet. So I'm going to take you along. We'll show you what we do, and then with the other containers we'll just speed it up. Okay.
I know I'm a lost case.
text on XO. My ace boom boom, no flex, no. I won't gas you up like petrol. Just trying to take you way up where the jets go. But you didn't notice that. Keep clocking all my hours, I told you that. Work now, play later. But you keep going off on me. Keep texting like it's all on me. Yeah, you're all in my head like you're my forever, not for right now. My day one, you hold me down. Hard cold like the wintertime. Fight for your love, can't slow me down. Don't go far. I take me and you over living large. Know I'll be there wherever you are. Cause you shine bright like a shooting star.
Everything feels a little bit lighter with you. Something's letting me heal. You're making it brighter right through the gray. I don't want nobody stabbing me with love. Don't wanna waste no time getting my feelings hurt. I believe in those things we don't know much of. There's just so much to see that ain't about us.
Okay, so as you can see, I added in some fresh dirt just to give it up to its levels, which, you know, will help the plants, but it also has some nutrients in there, so that will help as well. Then what I'll do is water in, and then this pot starting next week will go on my weekly fertilizing. So this one is done. What I'm using in here is a Proven Winners Super Bells in Evening Star, which is the purple with the light purple and the dark. Then this is the Proven Winners Daisy, and this one is Dianthus. Kind of looks like a carnation. So I think these will spread all around. This will be a nice yellow, and this is a nice pop of orange. Okay.
I'm ready to face my fears. I'm ready to taste the weird. I just wanna walk the hills above.
Okay, so as you can see, I've got the hibiscus shrubs, you know, trimmed back and tamed. I've got everything under planted. I didn't go heavy because these plants will grow vigorously and kind of spread out. So, and I've got this one. These are beautiful hot pink hibiscus. And this one, you know, it may look a little, you know, scant right now, but it will fill in, I'm quite sure. So these pots are done. Now I'm going to move to these, and some of these plants that I'm planting are not looking so good. But I think once they get in the containers and they get a lot of water, they're going to perk right up. So let's get started.
'Cause I just wanna go to the deep end. I just wanna go to the deepest end. No planning, no stress, and no work, no trying to fix what we are. Just go to the deepest end. The way you act won't take me back. Just go. Yeah, I can't forget what you've done. The way you act won't take me back. Just go, 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 go. 'Cause I just wanna go, go, go to the deep end. I just wanna go, go, go to the deepest end. No planning, no stress and no work, no trying to fix what we had. Just go, go, go to the deepest end.
Buy what I want, I don't want it. Do what I like, I don't like it. My life is a mess, screaming with boredom. I don't feel nothing when I'm buzzing. Someone adds some glamorous hurt. 'Cause when I sleep, I long for insomnia. They say you have to be beaten up before you're tender enough. They say you have to bruise to feel. I chew, I don't taste it. Obsessing over dress when I split. Shoot me a blink, I'm dying from boredom. I even lie when I tell the truth. Honestly, what's the use? They say you have to be beaten up before you're tender enough. They say you have to bruise to feel. I must be made out of steel. No one is in charge of my steering. This I know, this I know, this I know. Hoping dreams are meant to be shared and seen. No, I know, yes I know. Reading watercolors outside the lines is uplifting and no crime. Get out of the box, let me show you how. Here we go.
Okay, so I'm gonna give you a finished tour here. So the plants are dwindling. I extra watered these, so they're gonna be popping right back up. I do hope. And I'm gonna be working on getting these all planted. Here is this new little area. I'll be putting water in the bird bath here. And this goes back here. This is going to be my little experiment to see if I can get these plants back. Let's pray, huh? So this is this area. These pots are from Gardener's Supply. They are self-watering, so I'm gonna water them in really good a couple of times, and then I will go ahead, and you can see right here is where the spout is, and you just put in the water and it self-waters for I think I should be able to get a week is what it said. So those are moved here. I had them over by the diving board, but with the kids jumping in and swimming and the chlorine water coming out, it was killing the plants. So we moved them over here. So we've got this all done, underplanted, cleaned up. All of these. This one again is looking pretty sparse, but you know, just give it some time to grow because they will grow beautifully. This has turned into such a beautiful hedge. Isn't that a gorgeous orange? So beautiful. So this is just a lounger. This is one of my grandkids. He stays out here while he's drying off from the pool. And this is a view from this angle. These I got years ago at Costco. I absolutely love them, but I'm having a hard time. They're solar, but they're not lighting up anymore. But I'm gonna see if an electrician, a friend of mine, can help me with that. But this is kind of the view from this side of the pool. And then this is the back view of the gazebo. We're on the other side of the gazebo. And you know, once a year I just come in and I really hose down. I hose down the fence, I hose down, you know, the patio. I mean, I do it more than once. This is a beautiful, what is this? A red cherry blossom, I believe. So, such a pretty, it should be starting to bloom pretty soon here with red, or I'm sorry, pink little flowers. But you can see we're on the other side of the gazebo. Some underplanting here. This is where we lay out the most. But I just really clean off the patio really good, at least once, the beginning of the season and the end of the season. And this great little thing, I got this. Let's see if I can get this. I got this at Costco, and it's a table, but it also holds our towels. So that was really a great find. And this goes with the other chair, but we put it over here. So let's see, get this angle. All right, I'm gonna call it a day and sit back and enjoy this wonderful Arizona weather and have myself some ice water, or maybe it's iced coffee. We need a little kick-me-up. Have a great day, and I hope you will consider subscribing and turning on your notification buttons, and have an awesome day. I hope I gave you a little bit of inspiration, a little bit of motivation to get out there and do whatever you can do in your garden. Have a great day. Bye.